Hey guys, in this video I want to be answering the question if you can chat with friends on Duolingo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my Duolingo app. Then from here, I'm going to go down on the bottom of the page here and click onto my user profile. And from here, I'm going to be able to see who I'm following. So basically my friends, I'm going to click into that. Now I'm going to click into this user profile. And while I'm on their profile, I've noticed you cannot chat to them directly inside the app. So basically, Duolingo does not currently offer a direct messaging or chat feature between users. While you can add friends and interact through leaderboards and shared progress, there is no built-in functionality for private conversations within the app. What you can do is chat with them, chat with your friends via different methods like Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook Messenger, etc. But yeah, inside Duolingo, at this current point in time, Duolingo hasn't released a function where you can chat directly inside the application.